very, very rarely see Pecco Bagnaia mistakes. Oh, Pecco Bagnaia's crash! Can you believe it?
Brilliant, Bagnaia. He reigns in Spain. The Ducati man wins the Red Bull Grand Prix of Spain.
And look at this, Fabio Quartararo is going to get absolutely swamped. He is the master of Mugello in 2022. Bagnaia has been the top man in this Assen Grand Prix. Dutch TT winner is Pecco Bagnaia. Has this British Grand Prix covered? It's been an absolute classic. Pecco Bagnaia wins at the Red Bull Ring in Spielberg. Here comes Bastianini. Bastianini, how close was that?
In 4 races on the spin.
Bagnaia is your winner here in the Malaysian Grand Prix.
If you like these videos, click here and here if you like more videos like this.